Hey boys and girls, what's going on? And in this video we will going to set up a domain controller in Azure using a Windows Server virtual machine. And let's start. First we need to you need to log in your Microsoft Azure portal. Then go to your resource group. Let's create a resource group first. So start create. The resource group name will be ActiveDirectoryLab, and for the region North Central US, and then review and create, then create, refresh. There you go, we have our resource group ActiveDirectoryLab. And then next is to make a virtual network and subnet. Go back to home, and then virtual network, find the virtual network, this one, and then create a virtual network. So our resource group will be, make sure it will be the Active Directory Lab. Then next is need to name our virtual network to Active Directory VNet. And then region will be the same as the resource group, North Central US. Review and create. Then click create. There you go. We have a Active Directory. We have a virtual network. We created a resource group and virtual network. Next is to create our virtual machine. So if you create virtual machine, just click here, virtual machine in your portal, Microsoft Azure portal, and then click create Azure virtual machine, and then choose your resource group, the one that we made, the Active Directory Lab. And then our virtual machine name is DC1. Region will be the same as our North Central. And then next is to select a operating system. Let's select a Windows Server 2022 Azure Edition. Next, North Central US. And then select a virtual machine size. You need to select this one, 2 CPUs, virtual CPUs, 8 gig memory, version 3. This one. And then let's create a username. Our username will be lab user, and the password will be cyberlab123. Next is go to networking. Make sure that your virtual network is Active Directory VNet, public IP EC1. Okay. Review and create. So click, and then after that click create. As you can see, its deployment is in progress. And then click home, and then let's see if we already have a virtual machine. And there you go, we have our DC1 virtual machine. It is actively running, and we have a public IP of 172.183.161.70. That is our IP address for our virtual machine. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.